Welcome back, everybody. It's another PB lap. It's going to be from Talladega GP, August 21. It's actually a race lap during one of these C Superbike races there. As we all know, you start a PB lap on the previous lap when you're actually trying to go through the last corner. So here we are, last corner. Upshift into 5th. Eventually. There we go. And a 3-board. Cool. Down 1. Bend it into turn 1. Watch for the bumps on the inside. Hit that apex and then pin it full gas again. We're going to upshift at least once. Look at that 3-board. Here it comes. Here it comes. Boom. Back to into the carousel or the ball, whatever they call it this time. We're going to wait, and then pull on the gas right here. Let the bike wheelie as much as possible. Okay. Grab limiter a little bit. Okay. And then here in the only right-hander, you're going to miss the apex by at least 10 feet. No, don't do that, but that's what I did. Anyway, full stick again, going into, this is actually the carousel. Brake at the 2-board, don't downshift, bend it in on the brakes, long way around. As soon as you see the exit, there you go, go a little bit wide, full gas, upshift once, and again, look for that 3-board, go over the hump, grab the brakes, there you go. Downshift 2, wait for the tarmac on the right, then turn in, hit the apex, out wide, don't touch the rumbles, in again to the left, full stick. Upshift again to 5th, watch the snake wiggle, doesn't matter, and 1:03.5. That is my fastest race lap ever at Talladega GP. If you want to catch awesome footage like this, check the link below for a chin mount camera mount.